Hi guys! Our product here are handmade organic essential oil soap, which are extracted from pure plants and are very fragrant. It can be used by men, women, and children. There is no age limit, guys, and children over 5 years old can use it. Whitening and moisturizing if you have acne, melasma, blackheads, whitehead, and dry skin, oily skin, and other skin problem. Tawag dito, whitening, groin, and armpit. A box of essential soap is enough. The essential oil bar soap can be used as a face wash, body wash, and shampoo. Pwede pala siyang gawing shampoo, guys. And it's made from organic pure plant extract. Suitable for pregnant, pwede daw sa buntis and nursing mother. Yung efficacy of rose essential oil, improve skin, melanin, and whitening, improve skin dryness, nourish skin, replenish water, make skin white and delicate, firm and smooth, fade freckles, guys, and main function of, yun lang, guys. Ano pa ba? Yung lavender, improve acne marks. Yung pores, refresh mind, balance of secretion. So guys, marami siyang benefits yung sabon na to. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, bumili na kayo. Maganda siya, made in Thailand. Naka buy one take one siya. Tsaka meron din siyang green tea, lemon. Maganda siya, guys. Alam niyo, gustong-gusto ko talaga tong sabon na to eh. Buti na lang yung mismong binigyan ako ng free sample, so hindi ko nabibilin. Gagamitin to, guys. Gagamitin ko talaga to. Ano pa hinihintay nyo, guys? Bili na kayo, no?